Hi everyone, this is Lucy. For today, I'm making onion dip. This is one of my favorite snack companions. So please join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful dip. And I'm going to prepare 1 large onion for this recipe in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to saute the onion until it's caramelized for about 45 minutes, covered in low temperature. Once it's done, then I transfer the onions into a small bowl and place it in the fridge until it's completely cool. In the meantime, I'm going to mix cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise together until there's no lumps. To this mixture, I'm going to add green onions, garlic clove, and chopped chives, and a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Add a little salt and a little white pepper. Mix well all of these ingredients, cover with saran wrap, and place it in the refrigerator until it's completely cold. Once you are beginning to get ready for serving your dip and chips, then we mix the creamy ingredients with the onion. Mix well and then it's ready to be served. Enjoy it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. All the ingredients and steps to take for this video are below the description area. I hope to see you soon. Until my next video, bye bye.